Tonight we were very excited to launch our first microgrid project. It is actually the first microgrid project for the Turks and Caicos Islands, and it is indeed a very historic moment for us here at FortisTCI. The microgrid project will deliver approximately 30% of North and Middle Caicos demand via renewable energy. So it is a significant renewable energy penetration that we will be achieving through this project. We will also be investing in a microgrid on the island of Salt Key, and that microgrid project will serve about 90% of the energy demand for Salt Key. And it's not only from a sustainability standpoint that these projects will benefit the Turks and Caicos Islands. We also expect that over time this will lower the cost of energy by approximately 19% between the islands of Salt Key and North and Middle Caicos. We continue to work with the Turks and Caicos Islands government for the support of regulations to be in place so that these savings can be adequately passed on to our customers. The microgrid project is expected to be commissioned in 2024, but we will ground break in Q3 of 2023. We've done a lot of work leading up to this point. The project actually started from 2016, but we had a number of hurdles that we had to overcome, including the 2017 storms, as well as COVID-19, and other challenges that the world is grappling with, such as supply chain, engaging the appropriate level of labor and talent to address the project. So we were able to successfully overcome those challenges. Earlier this year, we would have launched an RFP, and the RFP was launched with bidders from throughout the region as well as locally, and Compass Solar was the successful bidder. So we are very excited to move full speed ahead with the implementation of this project.
FortisTCI had the development thought and insight to create a microgrid in North and Middle Caicos, and they've selected Compass Solar, which is our group, to be the contractor for the job. Compass has actually had its own energy transition as well. We were traditionally a fossil fuel and switchgear company, and we've had a division that's changed specifically with regulations and then attitude in the Caribbean that is focused exclusively now on microgrids and renewable energy installations. Very much excited on this project. It'll be kind of the first time we've had the opportunity to collaborate with FortisTCI, and we hope that it adds to a lot more. We're just at the very beginning of it, to be honest. I mean, I think they ran a very concise bid process. All of the timelines that they've put out to date have been, we've been within those timelines, or very close if not, and I think that's something that needs to be mentioned. It's a new type of technology that's going in. It's new to the country, and it's just being developed in our region as a whole. So, to see the progress that's been made and the amount of time that's been made is I think, a real credit to Fortis.
First of all, I have a lot of confidence in Fortis. I've always supported the company. I made the joke that they keep my power on. I've traveled all over the Caribbean, and I have never experienced any electricity service like Fortis. The quality, the reliability. Yes, it may be expensive at times, but the service is unmatchable. So based on that premise alone, I'm confident that whatever they say they're going to do, they will do. I've seen Fortis grown. I've seen Fortis invest. I've seen Fortis invest not just in leadership overseas, but leadership here in TCI. So the minute they invested or trusted us to have a local CEO, they got me sold. So I have no doubt that under the leadership of Ms. Ruth Forbes and her excellent team, that they will deliver for North Caicos.